Python coding. Welcome to lesson number 12, Python coin toss. Here's a sneak peek of what you will create today. Today we will use Python to create a coin toss game while learning core programming concepts. Before we get started, as always, if you get stuck, check spelling, check parentheses, check indentation, check quotation marks, read the error message out loud, and remember, Python is a case-sensitive language. Today you will understand randomness in Python, use user input, apply conditional logic, build a loop-based game, and structure code using functions. The concepts you will use are variables. These store information like the user's guess. Input. This lets the user interact with the program. If else. This helps the computer make decisions. Loops. These repeat actions multiple times. Random. This simulates chance like a coin toss. And functions. These organize and reuse code. Let's get started. Open Python. Start a new Python project. Let's create a program that lets the user guess heads or tails, simulates a coin flip, tells the user if they win or lose, and repeats until the user exits. Importing random, function, definition, and loop. Type this code into Python. You can pause the video while you type. While true repeats forever unless we stop it. User input, exit condition, and input validation. Type this code into Python. You can pause the video again while you type. Keep note of this. You typed this code into Python, but do you know what it means? This is how the user stops the program. Do you know why you typed this line? This simulates the coin. Random coin flip output decision making. Type this code into Python. You can pause the video again while you type. Here's the full code. If you haven't already, type this into Python. You can pause the video again while you type. What we learned today? How the random module in Python works, how to use user input, how to apply conditional logic, how to build a loop-based game, and how to structure code using functions. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.